Wow. Look at this. Look at this. All this black debris just got kicked up. I'm down here by the lake. The winds are getting crazy. Hoo-wee. That's like a real storm. I'm out of here. Holy mackerel. I think I'm in a tornado. Can't see right in front of me. Well, I guess I got what I wanted to see. Now I'm freaked. Father, please keep me safe. Well, I think kind of passed. Look at those flags going nuts. Okay, maybe not. Holy cow, those were some strong winds, baby. I think I'm gonna try and skedaddle. Oh my goodness, man. This is debris everywhere. Woohoo! Crazy, man. Look at these branches in the road. Freaking tornado. That was pretty cool. Still going up there. Well, a lot of debris getting kicked around anyway. Dang. Never seen anything like that. Well, wanted a taste of the action. Almost got my car flipped over. Now there's junk flying, hitting my car. Look at all this. This just happened. Tree, right there, just blew over. See that? It wasn't like that 5 minutes ago. That was sweet. Oh, that's me grinding gears because shifting without a clutch right now. So, tumbleweeds. Oh wow, I just saw a transistor go out. It's up there, you can kind of see it. Holy cow! That does sound like a freight train, alright. And there's a boat that got flipped over. Another transition this way. Okay, I'm out of here. Yep, the boat just got blown over. Wow, the gate got blown over. A lot of stuff has gotten blown over. Another tree. Look at this. Right here. This is what I was driving through. Oh my word. I sure hope nobody's out at sea right now. Giant branches. Oh yeah. This is the kind of day where you want to have insurance. People are out looking around.